just in. I'm Tony Hansen for Audio Dungeon News. Oh my God, we're live from a room full of rainbows, and something has just happened here on planet Earth. But don't worry, we're going to go to our field reporter now on scene, there on the location, the man with the plan, the guy with the fry, Tom Kokoza. Tom, what is happening?
The fries were delicious, Tony. I'm here in Cornwall on Caldwell by the Sea here in England, and the Crumpet Crimper has kidnapped the royal family. I can't believe it. He's going to feed them to some sort of local sea life if his demands aren't met. But I'm not sure what his demands are because he says I am not some sort he calls me a lower class citizen, so he won't speak to me.
Well, Tom, we actually have another breaking news right now. It seems this maniac is cutting in with his own network files thing.
What?
That's a new technology that no one knows about except me. Let's go live to the village.
I am the Crumpet Crimper, and I demand that my family be restored to our former position. Long did the Crumpets of Crimpville rule in the West, but after the unfortunate Crumpet incident of 2003, we were stripped of our glory. Well, no, that's behind us now, and we've started using higher quality ingredients, and I assure nothing like that will happen again. And I swear I will stuff these royals full of crumpets until they explode, unless the Crumpets of Crimpville are once again made supreme.
Wow. That was just breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Apparently, Tom, I don't know if you got that, but it's definitely the crumpiest villain we've ever seen yet on Audio Dungeon.
That's true. Now, I don't, being an American, I don't really care about the royal family, but Meghan Markle's from the US of A, so someone better do something to stop all this.
That's right.
Oh, wait, Tom, I think we just got the news flash in that the Super Zeros are arriving on scene.
Thank goodness.
And they are large in charge. Let's see who is there first.
Sneeze lethal. I'm able to sneeze laser beams right out of my face.
That's pretty amazing.
Who else is with Sneeze Lethal?
I'm 50-year-old guy. Super speed. I can run at super speeds. I age relative to the super speed travel though, so I can't really use it often.
Are you saying,
So a 50-year-old man is now a super zero.
are you saying that if you run really fast, you'll be a 60-year-old man soon?
Yeah, it could be 95 soon, so I don't do it. That's why I don't do it.
Good to know.
Okay, let's go to our third Super Zero who's just arriving on scene right now. Who are you, sir?
Hey, I'm Electric Slide. I generate an electric static charge when I slide across the floor. And I can use it to electrocute people or electric devices or whatever you want. Yowza. Yeah.
Wow. Can you sing 2 lines of Electric Slide for us right now? Do you know the words? What are you good for?
I can probably do the electric slide better than I can sing it, but I'm not going to do that right now.
Don't tease.
Super Zero
Yeah,
points.
Let's go to our
dancing
fourth
today.
Super Zero. Who are you, sir?
Hearing aid. I like to use 3 slices of bread, two pieces of cheese. That's probably my ideal sandwich. That's what I like to use that. That's what I like to eat.
You're the hearing aid, and you're telling us what kind of sandwich you like. Is
What?
Great. The world is definitely in great hands.
I don't feel confident, Tony. I don't feel confident.
Okay, I'm scared to say it, but let's go to the Super Zeros. As you know, Super Zeros, all of you must be a part of the solution. If you are not, you may fail. And who decides who wins? It is, as always, the reporter. Today, Tom Kokoza. Super Zeros, get to work.
But I feel this is fairly simple. If I can get close enough and sneeze at him, I can just kill him and reclaim the royal family.
I can do that too. I can electrocute him. I'm going to
Hearing
slide across the floor.
Get me some pepper. So salt, pepper. I'll see what I can do. On the pepper. I'll get you something. It'll be good. It'll be right.
I guess I'll run next to you at like 35 miles, an hour.
Do we know where the criminal is?
I can listen for them. I can tell you where they are. I hear everything.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, tell me where he is.
There. Where are they going? I hear it. I hear it.
Is he nearby?
They're
Are the kidnappers here?
they're here. They're definitely here.
Okay. Where here?
Yeah. They're. I think in this direction.
I run over there and I slide across the floor and shoot my lightning out of my fingers.
I would run too, but I'd probably die because I'll go that fast. So I'll take his word for it. I guess.
Did you get my pepper? Yeah, I got your pepper. It's salt though.
It's salt though.
Oh my God. Tom, tell me if I have this right, but it sounds like Super Zero's, I guess, foundation is basically scrapped the bottom of the barrel, pulling a escaped mental patient and perhaps 3 people from the old age home to come save the day because one's with electric slide, one can't hear, and one is aging rapidly.
I have to say, this is the worst group of superheroes I've ever seen in my many, many years of reporting, Tony. I have no idea if they even understand what's happening.
Do they know where they are or what they're doing?
I can't say.
Did they solve the problem? Is the crisis averted?
No, I don't even think they know where the royal family is or have figured out how they're well salted. That's all I can say. This looks like a big failure for all of us who are fans of Suits on USA.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen of Earth. We're sorry, but this catastrophe was a success for the evil villain. And,
Today, Cornwall. Tomorrow, Greater Cornwall.
ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Hansen from Audio Dungeon News. We'll be back later tonight at 11 o'clock, and we'll be asking the question, are elderly people qualified to be super zeros?
Probably not. Probably not.
We'll find out. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see.
Most likely not.
As long as I don't run anywhere, that'll be fine.